Hi guys, welcome to a very special, very fun video. What are we gonna do? What do we have? We have a big competition giveaway for all of you. And I'm gonna show you guys what you're gonna get. So follow this clip and you'll see what you can win.
Hey guys, so I thought I would just include a little makeup tutorial in this vlog for you guys and show you the palette that you can win, the Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss Morphe palette. These palettes are absolutely gorgeous, they're super compact, they even have a mirror which is great for being on the go or on holiday. There's a gorgeous mixture of matte shades and shimmery shades which just makes it so fun. The one I'm going to be wearing today is the Ring the Alarm palette from the same collection. Ariana picked my dress for me today, so I thought orange would go better with my dress. Let's just start with a simple foundation and concealer routine. I'm using the Jeffree Star Beauty Blender from Morphe, that is Huda Beauty Concealer. I'm then using some Anastasia Beverly Hills to bronze my face. This is a Spectrum brush from the Mean Girls collection. As you guys know, I always do a lip and nose contour. This is using an Eco Tools brush. So I was just sitting in the kitchen table watching Ariana play outside, and it was a lovely sunny day and it just felt so relaxing. I was watching a really relaxing day in the life of vlog from Allison and I was just chilling out. Adding some KKW Beauty blush to my cheeks. And now I'm just lining my lips, adding some lipstick. The lighting, this is just all natural light, so sorry if it looks a bit cakey. It wasn't until I was like halfway through I realized I didn't have my ring light, but this is KKW Beauty lipstick in the shade Peach 3. Gorgeous for blondes, gorgeous for summer. Using my Huda Beauty Lifeliner, I'm just lining my waterline. I feel like my makeup isn't complete unless I do this now. And I'm just going in with that shade Rush there. And I am just doing a little cut crease using a simple matte transition shade. Nothing too intricate or fancy about this eye look, just an everyday thing. I never know how long I'm going to have to myself, so I never want to be too adventurous with my makeup looks. It's all about just getting it on there while I've got time. I don't know how many outtakes I did of how many times I got up and sat down, got up and sat down. I could probably do a blooper reel of that. And then I was just using one of the gorgeous rose gold shimmering shades to my inner corner, applying some mascara, and then we went away.
So now that you've seen what you can win, let us tell you the rules. Oh, you're brushing my hair. Oh, that feels so nice.
Oh, no, I'm not.
Okay, so as some of you know, or some of you don't know, you can just say your own words, don't just say mine. It's like an echo. Okay, so as some of you know, I used to be a mental health nurse. So I worked in the NHS for about 10 years.
Did you? I wasn't copying you.
Remember Mommy used to work at the hospitals?
Yes.
So I worked in mental health nursing. I worked on a midwifery ward for a year.
You've done makeup?
I do makeup now, yeah, that's right. I've done 2 years of my nurse's training a few years ago before I had a baby. So during this time, honestly, when I hear stories about nurses and how they're so severely like unprotected, all the long working hours, the struggle they're having, I really wanted to give something back and just something for fun, just something for you, that when you come home after a long shift or you finally got a day off and you just want to feel special, you just want to feel like yourself again. I just wanted to be able to do that. And also I feel that I should open this up not just for NHS workers, for any carer, for any key worker, postman, postwoman, shop workers, anybody, grocery store, anyone who is still having to go out to work and deal with the public. This competition is open to any one of you. So all you have to do is follow the rules in the description box and nominate someone. Okay, so that's all you got to do. And you can also enter on Instagram and on Facebook. I will link those down below for you too. So they will all count as extra entries. So a YouTube one, an Instagram one, and a Facebook one. They will all count. And I really hope I can brighten someone's day.
I'm working on my phone.
You're on your phone. Do you tell everyone you have Instagram now?
Mm-hmm.
She has Instagram, guys. It's pretty good. Okay, I made muffins, so let's go and see if these are muffins. This is the bench we got. When we got it, it was brown.
Yeah,
I'll put up a picture.
and we had to sand it. And then a long time we had to paint it.
Yeah,
Because we were waiting for the brushes.
the brushes did take a really long time to come, so we painted it. I think it's Sweet Pea Pink from Carprol, and it was so easy to apply. It was so good. Oh, someone's doing barbecue food. I can smell it. Ariana did her mud kitchen. We painted this too. I just let her go for it with that one. I did our birdhouse. It used to be dark blue. And I did little watercolor, like ivy. I wasn't sure that the watercolor wouldn't come off, but it lasted really well. And then on this side, I wrote Home Sweet Home, but I did it so squint. Yeah, we had been painting for so long by then. I think I just lost all concept of space and time. You can do the front windows for me if you want. Just now.
Yeah.
But it's a beautiful sunny day. Can't even see, it's so dark.
Yeah,
I'll show you the muffins I made.
Mommy's gonna get like a cover for like a bed.
I really want to get like some kind of screening for the bins. I hate looking at the bins. I hate that whole bit.
But how will I clean the bins then?
I hate the drains there.
I love the drains. Look, that's a hole.
I don't know, and I hate looking at the bins. I wish we could like cover them with something. But I looked up bin covers on Amazon. They're literally like 300 pounds. What? Like, I'd hate the bins, but I don't hate them that much. Little setup, clean table. Look, these are the muffins.
I am trying to go to a front garden, but I don't know how.
Okay, wait, I'll help you. I've had such a bad time
Eventually baking,
with baking recently, haven't I?
we've done 3 no ones.
Yeah, I did like a weird salmon sauce that we hated. We ended up binning it, didn't we? Yeah, it was bad.
Mama, can you help me please?
Well, go and get your sprayer and your bowl.
You do it. Ow, can you see? Don't you see it?
Okay guys, we want to show you the palette that you can win. So what does it say? It says Jaclyn Hill, and this is the
Money.
Bling Boss palette. Put it up to the camera. Ooh. Now open it up.
Now to show you my back.
Oh yeah, I have to see the back. Yeah, so nice. So guys, this is my palette. Obviously yours is all still packaged up. Oh, the side. Yeah, the side is so pretty because it's like all metallic. You can point to the colors if I hold it up. What ones are nice? Yeah. So this is like a gorgeous like rose and purple palette. Like, I actually find it so wearable. It's so pretty. And you get a mirror on the palette too. That's so nice. Let me see.
Huh?
So what I'm thinking is, like, your transition shades are so pretty in here. So that's like this one.
I kind of like that purple, yeah.
The purple is very nice.
And yellow. I like all sparkly stuff.
I know, right? But also, with this palette, you also get a set of Benefit lashes. You get the brush set. Remember all the brushes I got?
Mm-hmm.
So you get the eye brush set from Morphe in the little bag. So that's everything you need to do a gorgeous eye look on your days off. When you want to feel nice, you want to feel special, have some me time. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you.
If I look different, I just straighten my hair. I'm like, curl the hair.
You do look really cool with your hair straight. And I curled my hair. I feel amazing from curling my hair.
And I'm wearing a black dress.
I think it's the first time I've curled my hair since this whole thing.
I'm wearing a black dress.
And you made a spook house. Are we going to show everyone?
This is outside my spook house. And that's my witch's soup. Yeah. And my witch's hat. Well, can I still vlog?
Let me see. Yeah?
And I am off. And I'm doing ballet classes.
What is this on my mirror?
A Mickey Mouse.
What is this? Yeah, I think I'll have some tea and I'll watch you do ballet class.
Yeah, but.
Can you see me? Are you filming my butt?
Yeah. Guys, I was filming Mommy's butt.
I'm sure.
Oh no. So Daddy got me like little seeds. See, those are the ones I'm growing. So
Don't
flowers.
drop the camera. Hold it tight, okay?
I'm going these plants and then I've got some left. And those ones outside. I've already.
Do you know what kind of flowers you planted, or did you just do a mixture?
Yeah one's flowers, yeah one's. Yeah one. So yeah one. Yeah one. And yeah one. Yeah one.
Okay. And look, we got paint for the fence.
Yeah. We
What's the
decided.
next project?
We decided we're gonna do a fence now. It will go well with the pink. Like it will go well with like the pink.
I think so too.
Cause if we do white, it'll look kind of like bright with the pink.
Yeah, we thought it would look too pinky whitey.
Yeah, pinky whitey.
So we decided to get the shade Willow.
Yeah.
It's like a sage green.
And Mommy decided she's gonna do a wallpaper.
I am gonna wallpaper the kitchen, and I had to buy new curtains because it wouldn't match, and now we have no curtains, right?
Yeah, we need yes, yeah. And so yeah, I'm just gonna keep like filming. And I did a rainbow today. Yeah, I did a rainbow today, and it had stars on it, and a little bit of flowers.